days straight. Anyways, still get out in this rain, try to figure out something for today. I want to try to get some wall art. Record stores here in Kansas City tend to have decent wall art, so maybe find some more posters and stuff to hang here in the crib. And then maybe deep clean the bathroom. It's not dirty, but it's been 2 weeks, so try to get that cleaned up. I know Missouri plays today. There's some golf on, so I might check in with some of that. And otherwise, just chill, man. Take y'all along with me, whatever I do today. Grocery store, cook, clean, whatever it is. And yeah, so y'all just hang out with me, enjoy the video. Get back with y'all in a minute. I'm gonna get it. I don't get it. It's been raining for like 4 days. But anyways, headed downtown. I don't want to pop in this one store and see if they have any like not action figures, but like figurines and stuff. Kind of like Funko Pops, but you got like the Cos figures and stuff like that. Just different types of collectibles. They also sell shoes and stuff, so but they're usually pretty pricey. And then there's a couple record stores that I go to down here, so I'm gonna check those out and see if I can't find some more art for the walls. And yeah, I don't live too far from downtown, so I got some other places I want to go to, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it if it keeps being cold and rainy. It's like 30 something degrees and it's supposed to rain all day, so it kind of dampers the mood. But I'll turn the camera back on when I get in whatever store I'm going to and try to figure something. Shitty outside. I just got back home. Let me show y'all what I picked up. Got some stickers from a local store called Escapist here. Got some jazz records, Grover Washington, some classical, adding to the collection. I'm trying to have like a diverse record collection. Like I got some classical stuff here. I got some rap, R&B, all different kinds. So I'm not trying to like have like the same just rap records. Sorry, that's the microwave heating up lunch. But the same rap records, I want to have like a bunch of different kinds. Poster, another poster. Y'all see when I hang those up. Got some more stickers here for free just for buying stuff. So figure out something to do with those. I got this for free too, for buying records. This coffee table book, $10 from a bookstore. Super fire to me. yeah, I'll figure out somewhere to put it, like the colors, like what's in it. So this book is fire too. I like finding my books just locally and kind of like used a little bit versus buying them online. I feel like it just is more fun finding stuff locally, thrifting. That's pretty much all I picked up, but the posters will do wonders for the walls. I kind of got some stuff there. I want to put some stuff there, so that's probably what I'll do with those. I need to find frames too. Frames are hard to find, apparently. I'll have to go to like an arts and crafts store and pick some up. As far as the rest of the day is concerned, I'm gonna do my bathroom, like I said. I'm gonna kind of show the electric scrubber that I got, and I'll link it in the description if anybody has like a shower basin like I have, or even a tub. It just takes the scrubbing out of it completely, so it's a no-brainer as far as that's concerned. So cleaning videos might come in the future too, but like I said, my crib, it don't get that dirty, so like a deep clean, I just don't know if that's something I would be able to do. But yeah, we'll figure it out. So I hung one of the posters there. I like it, it's pretty cool. Hopefully I can get covers for these. There's a store called Michael's here in Kansas City that I'll probably check out to see if they have like the covers for them. That one's too small for a cover, but I think it fits there, pretty cool. And then here, this is another one I bought. Just a cool little poster to go there for now. So, all good. Then I have a projector here. In my old spot, I had it mounted above my bed, and it was shining off of this wall that I had like kind of in front of where I slept at. It was a sliding wall because it was a studio technically, but in this new place, I have no idea where to put it. I was thinking maybe having it showing on this wall, but it's kind of hard to set it somewhere where it's central and I don't have to move it and it'll shine off that wall. I thought about over here, but I went ahead and put posters there. In the bedroom here, if I wanted to move my bed around, I couldn't if I mounted it there and had it cast off of this wall. So I'm just not sure. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with it. So for now, it's just chilling right there. But I'm sure I'll get it figured out. There he is. Look who's in first place. Can't count him out. 13 under. Money. Money. Get back out of the rain. Open my freezer and realize I ain't got nothing to eat in there for dinner. So, about to go to the grocery store, get food. see what we can get for dinner. This the best for breeze. Wood. And if y'all need some plug-ins, cashmere woods. Trust me. Them is the best smelling ones. Gotta grab a couple more things. Powerade, some candy, some bananas. All right, so real quick from the store, got just some noodles or some rice that I could throw in my rice cooker, some fish I could throw in the air fryer real quick, salmon, a couple fresh pieces of salmon, some seasonings, and some Powerade. They was on sale for like 70 cents, so I just grabbed them. But I'm gonna put all this stuff up. Actually, throw this in there now. But yeah, I'm gonna break this down. I'm about to show y'all the scrubber that I got real quick though. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the bathroom knocked out, because I've been saying I'm gonna do that all day and I haven't done it. So then after that, I'm gonna eat. Right now we got basketball on Big 12. We got Texas beating the hell out of Kansas, which is crazy, because Kansas is ranked 1. I guess Texas is 2. I didn't catch the game for Mizzou earlier, but yeah, so I'm gonna watch this, clean up, eat, and then hop on the P5 later, or the Xbox, I don't know which one, and just chill. So mine is already open, obviously. It's the 8-in-1 cleaning brush. I got it off Amazon. Comes with the extender here, and this thing extends out. This is the handheld, or you take it off of here, you attach it. It's kind of hard to attach, but it's on there now. And then you can add a brush, which the one I'm gonna use is this one first. So you just add it. Like that. And you turn it on.
Power ready. Please press M to start.
It powers up, and then it's got 3 modes. So you hit mode, it starts spinning. That's mode 1, 2, and 3. I didn't get past 2, cleaning my shower, and it did everything I wanted it to do. And then it comes with different attachments, like this is a corner brush. This is a smaller flat brush like the one that's on there. This is a wider kind of dome-shaped brush. I'm not sure what you would clean with this, but this was the almost like a Brillo pad, and you attach it to here, it Velcros, so you can clean like a sink or something like that. This is the one for the glass, which I will be using. This one also attaches like so, and you can use it to clean the glass. This is a sponge attachment, same thing. And then a super soft cotton, almost like a duster or something, I don't know. But it comes with all of these. Then it comes with a cord, a cable. You just gotta have a USB, which I got my own, but you just charge it. It stays charged for like an hour and a half or whatever. And it completely takes like the hassle out of cleaning most things that you gotta scrub. So the 8-in-1, Amazon, I'm gonna put it in the description. It was like $50, like not even that much. They did send me a card that said I could leave a review, and they would give me like a $30 e-card. I left a review, they didn't give me the card, so I wouldn't waste my time doing that, honestly. But yeah, man, it's a good product. So if you have, you know, like something you need to scrub or whatever, and you don't feel like putting in like the muscle, try this. It's $50. So, all right. I'm back, done with the shower. Took about an hour. I stepped away to put some food on, let the machine kind of chill. Came back, finished the glass. Y'all saw me do the walls. Flick this light off. Boom. Now, keep in mind, my glass wasn't dirty at all. I squeegeed every time I get out of the tub. I squeegee the walls, then I do the floor, I do the glass. So I don't have the soap scum and stuff that builds up or nothing like that. But the caulk clean, the floor clean, walls clean, and it's glass in front of here. So spick and span. I'm telling you, go get you one of these scrubbers. It's $50 on Amazon, but it'll clean you up, and you won't have to do the scrubbing hands and knees. To a certain extent, you might be if you know what I'm saying, can't reach it that well, but y'all see the results, man. Wouldn't lie to you. Crystal clear, top to bottom. So, all right, so I'm gonna eat, finish cleaning up in here, and then that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. And I'm gonna sit here and watch basketball, play the P5 for a little while, watch some YouTube videos, edit this one. I would appreciate it if y'all subscribed. But thank y'all for watching, whoever sees this all the way through, or bits and pieces of it, whatever y'all choose to watch. I truly do appreciate it. I'm gonna keep making these videos as long as they keep making me happy. And yeah, that's all I got, man. So just a rainy Saturday here in Kansas City. It does get better kind of towards the spring and summer. I'm gonna be kind of popping out, going different places, doing different things. So tune in, subscribe, and comment, like, anything helps out, helps grow the channel. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. Y'all have a good one.